My name is Uchenna Ohaeto, and this is the BreazeHome 5.0 Local Scoop Project Introduction. Our team is Uchenna Ohaeto, Orlando Arnosa, Frank Segui, Jose Gabriel Perez, and Richard Jimenez. And our product owner is Masoud Sadjadi, and his email is sajadi@cs.fiu.edu. So the problem that we addressed um, on BreazeHome concerning Local Scoop is pretty much based off of the Trulia Maps page. Let me clear this here. So Trulia Maps is essentially a page on Trulia where a user can scroll or search any location provided by Google Maps, and it can view everything there is to know about that area, from crime, schools to the commutes, amenities, which lists various amenities here. And we have affordability, price, local price information, demographics of the community, um, wellness locations, and also hazards. So before this time, BreazeHome did not have a page like this. The only way you were able to view anything related to a neighborhood on a map was to navigate to the actual product listing page. Let's go there really quick. So on the product listing page, you would scroll down and there would be a section for neighborhood details and neighborhood amenities. So I'm going to select this property here and let the page load up. Then I'm going to scroll down to neighborhood details and see here we're able to view schools, public transportation, crimes, and hazards. And below that, we're able to view amenities, the various amenities. This was the only way you were able to view information about a community. So essentially, you had to search for a particular house or location, particular address, navigate to this page, scroll down until you find this area, and then I suppose the user would start dragging around. However, all of the queries from these are based off of the address of the house or the property. So dragging around will not affect any more, will not render any more pins on the map. So what we did is we created a brand new page on BreazeHome called Local Scoop. And this page is pretty similar to Trulia Maps. We tried to emulate what they did. And here, we pretty much have the same function as Trulia Maps. We're able to navigate to any location, either through the search bar or by just dragging. We're going to use the search bar to quickly snap to a location. So I'm going to type in FIU. It auto completes to FIU, Southwest 8th Street. I'm going to click here. It drops a pin to show us where our current center is, where we targeted. So we targeted FIU. Now, if I wanted to view malls nearby, I just check the malls button and malls appear. Same for parks, same for restaurants, theaters, and gyms. All pins can be viewed at the same time. However, it's not really advised, as you can see a lot of pins stack up on certain zooms. Same for schools. If I hit schools, I can display all the schools. Crime and hazards currently are not functional. Um, they were before. However, the APIs that we were using to retrieve data for crimes and hazards have started to reject this, mostly because we did not formally request a license or the amount of requests that we were making was just too large. So BreazeHome.com was blacklisted as a result. Um, so just to recap about this project is once again a brand new page. We have our own view file, we have our own HTML, our own JavaScript script file. This is a brand new page, and what we've done is just based off the Trulia Maps page. So moving forward, contributions would have to be or are encouraged to be based on what they have on Trulia Maps.